Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So, recent trends in cleaning, good or bad, you decide. So, let's tell two stories. Years ago, a cleaning business owner in a community might get cleaning leads from seeing buildings that they like and going in to introduce themselves. They may know the person from the community. They may go to one of those Business Network International or BNI meetings in the morning where you have coffee and breakfast and share leads. And so in the community, you might become aware of who needed cleaning. And they would become aware of you because you're introducing yourself. And over time, they get to kind of trust you as they get to know you. And then you get the opportunity to bid on the cleaning. And you do a walk through their building and you know what they do, actually what their business really is. And you may even know some of the employees that work there. And you put together a proposal and a plan and you work out a price. And you may get awarded that job. And then you hire again from the area community, the cleaners, to do the job from the people that you know around the community, or you interview applicants. And then you screen them, and as the business owner of the cleaning company, you would hire them as your employees, and you would train them, and then you would work with them to onboard them, to teach them how to do the job, classroom training, on-the-job training. You would then keep checking on them to make sure they're okay with supplies. You would check their work for quality assurance. You'd be checking in with the customer service. You might have an on-site supervisor to check. And that's the way you would find and land and keep good accounts in your community. That's not completely gone away, but there are recent trends that are changing. You might hear so much today about, well, there's leads found by just telemarketing, where you have hiring people to just do lots of calls all around your area, trying to see if anyone will take a proposal. Well, at any given moment, maybe someone will. By the sheer number of calls, sometimes someone will say, fine, if you want to, you can stop out and put in a proposal. That can happen. You could even then maybe land the job. Today, though, sometimes folks are not even hiring their cleaning person. They've done telemarketing to get the lead. Now, when they get the job, by the way, sometimes they'll price the job maybe from a physical walkthrough and then put together a proposal. Maybe on the phone learning about how big the facility is, or some kind of a Zoom call to talk to them, or a phone call, and maybe not even have an actual visit. But irregardless, once they get the job, some folks today even just hire subcontractors, so they sub out the work. So they have telemarketing up front, then they have different kinds of pricing methods, and then they're subcontracting the work out. They're not really cleaners that are your employers, that are your employees. There's subcontracted work. And in that, you have to be kind of careful because they're not employees. You can't do a lot of training and direction and inspection, and you only have very limited amount of input that you can give to somebody that you give a job to clean a building. It's just the way the rules are on those kinds of things. Now, they're very different. And there are reasons why maybe that's increasing. On the other hand, maybe there's reasons why that's not great either. My personal thing is, of course, my feeling is I always love the feeling of having my employees with us as a team when we took care of a building. And no matter what problem had to be tackled, we could tackle it together. With subcontracting out work, you don't have that much ability to correct and train and fix and inspect. You don't have that kind of ability to do that as much. So I don't like that as much, to take care of the customer. But this is the way trends are today. And so I'll put it to you. What are your thoughts on it? Good? Bad? Tell me your input. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.